Welcome to my Search, Explore, Learn YouTube channel. In this video, we will see about the new product of Insta360 X3. I received that in the courier, so this is a quick unboxing video of this product. So let's start. So this is a 360 action cam. It does have features with 5.7K 360-degree capture resolution, 4K single lens mode, 72 megapixel 360-degree photo, active HDR video, and so many other features. So this enables us to do various bits and pieces that was not possible with any other 360 camera. I know GoPro was in the peak, and it is still. But compared to Insta360, it took the first place, believe me. I've tried the other one, but I didn't really like two certain things that I was not happy with. It was a bit annoying. But I really need to try these Insta360. So I got it. So this one is the invisible stick. So when I bought the product, it came with an offer where the Insta360 invisible stick is also included. So we're going to do both the unboxes, and so far it is good. So let's try to see the selfie stick first. So it's really lightweight and good. So that's the place where you mount it. It was locked in the very first instance. I tried to open it, and then there was a tiny lock which then enabled me to open it up. So even after opening, it isn't really feeling very heavy for us to roll on. So you can easily mount the camera and then we can keep going. Yep. That's good. Let's try to open the camera. So it's well packed, and all the angle that it looks so far is really good. There are two portions of this box. One is including the camera itself, and the other portion includes the cable, the manuals, and then there's a pouch. So they're all good. So looking at this camera itself, like, it's really very solid, very good quality. It's really well made. And I can clearly see that the product is made in China, and there is a battery inside that this official battery is actually made in India. The product itself is very clear, very nice, and solid. It doesn't feel it's going to slip off, but it is still good and wise to have a proper pouch. This is the place where you would charge. You can also remove that thing to ensure that you can get it charged freely. So opening the other box, so I'm just trying to keep all the contents in one place so that you can see in one go. Okay, first let's quickly see waterproofing, what you know. Insta360 X3 camera is waterproof, and there are some simple instructions given to make sure that we close the charging side and then the battery pack is all properly closed. This is the limited warranty manual, and to give you some information about what they are talking about. I'm just making sure that things are tidy up while I do this one. So these are the safety guidelines. So it does come with various languages, so you can flick through and see for yourself when you get yours. And this is a quick start guide. The first one is like, you need to really install the Insta360 app on your mobile and then get the battery removed so that you can install the SD card, and then after that get it charged. So it's a simple start. And here is what you have, the simple to use and Insta360 specific wiping cloth, and this one is very soft and nice. And you also have a sticker, but I didn't use that. And this is the pouch. Honestly, I'm not really using the pouch, but the pouch itself is sturdy and it is really very good. I've been using this camera for some time now. After unboxing, I know I'm not releasing this video immediately. I was just trying to get every accessory that I could do it on that one. Then looking at itself, this pouch, some people will put it in the wrong way, where the small hole on the other side is not really enabled to charge while it's in the pouch. So this is the right way to do it. So once you do it, then you can easily open on this side and you can charge while it's inside the pouch. It's super tight inside, but maybe it's brand new. Okay, I'm just trying to show what it says in that one. So what I usually do is anything that comes with the stickers, I do not know if there is any warranty reasons or something like that, I always try to put it back inside the box and then keep the box handy. This enables me to ensure to claim warranty or any other things, or if I have to send it back. Here, the right choice is to put inside, not outside, because the moment when you try to close the box, it will tamper through and then it will not be stable. So this is a good place to put it. So anything that I usually do, that it's a good habit to put it inside, so it is safe and you can reach it anytime whenever you want it to. I'm just going to switch it on to see what we see. So this is the initial setup and start. So as you see, the moment when you start it, it asks you to download the app from the App Store. The touch screen is actually good, and with this 360-degree mode, you can see there are so many modes that are available, like time shift, bullet time, loop recording, start lapse, burst, interval, HDR photo, normal video, and then you have one more HDR video. When you move to single lens, the menu changes, like mini mode, loop recording, photo. So it does not have as many features as the 360 has. So there are only 5 options available there. So, but it is still good. There are 4 microphones on 4 sides of the camera. Now I'm opening the battery slot, and this is easy click and open. And inside that you can see a slot available to insert the SD card. Now I will have more videos available for the other accessories that goes on top of this one, and see on the other side. So that's completion of our unboxing of 360 camera.